Good morning. My name is Jonathan Montoro. I'm currently a student at JTech. We're in Engines 1 right now, and I'm going to show you how to put a radiator, an intercooler, back into a 325 excavator. Currently work at BJUCina Contracting. I'm a heavy equipment mechanic and a welder, but I'm going to show you safely how to put it in. Just bear with me. It's going to take time setting this up. Um, so we're going to begin. I'm going to get that radiator and intercooler. It's on the back side. Back into this 325. That's right here. We have to use an overhead crane because it's quite heavy and it's the safest way to do it. But I'll show you where it goes. We got to get it back in that hole down there. Right here's a two-man process. My co-workers helped me get it up. No, talking to the camera. Let it down for it now. You got to be safe when you're doing this. He has controls down there, but as you can see, the radiator is going down in there. Then I'll show you the process when we install everything. Yes, sir. Come down. Yeah. Put it down there. Now that we dropped it in there safely, without messing up, I got to get underneath and get my alignment tool. Line it up to get the bolts in the bottom, and I'll show you where that's at. Easiest way to do it is with an alignment tool. You got to get underneath. I don't know if you will see it, but I know. I'll line it up. Can you kick it my way? Alright, we currently got those bolts that I was talking about underneath installed. See them. There's one there, two there. As you see right here, the lower radiator hose, you don't want to install that first because you have to put this fan shroud on, and if you install that radiator hose, it'll be in the way. So we'll come back down here after we get the fan shroud on. I'll show you the fan shroud on now. Okay, now we have the radiator installed. Remove the chains. Now we have to install the fan shroud, which is this, which will sit against the radiator. And I'm going to install this. You got bolts. It's going to be hard for me to camera angle, but I'll come back to when all is installed and we go to do the connect the lower radiator hose, and then I'll come back and show you how to install the upper radiator hoses. gotta be careful when doing this. It's right on the edge. Trick on its fan shroud is to not tighten down anything. Don't tighten down anything or you're never getting one of. So I'm going to go down below and get the bottom two in, which are underneath, and I can't get the camera to show you, but they're hidden. You got to go in from the bottom. We're back at it. Now that we have the bolts in, the fan shroud bolts in, got the lower radiator hose in, got the upper radiator hose on. As you see there, now I'm going to install the two intercooler lines. One goes to the turbo, one goes to the top side of the engine, and then the air filter. From the air filter to the turbo. So that's what I'm going to install now. This is It's a very tight spot, so I'm going to try to do my best to show you, but it's a line that's down there. You see that red line from the bottom of the intercooler. Goes to the bottom side of that turbo. It's going to be hard to place a camera at the same time. Bear with me. Yeah, go. We got one side installed, back. We're gonna get it hooked up to the floor boat. $10mm tighten bang clamps down. That's one installed. Down there, as you can see, the radiator is completely installed now. You got your upper radiator, intercoolers, all those connected. No, just put coolant in it. But I got order from Napa. That's how you install a radiator back in a 325 excavator. Have a good day.